Hi dear students, my name is Komali and I am working as an assistant professor in KL University. And coming to the topic of discussion, in this session I am going to explain about types of configuration management tools which are used in DevOps. And in this session you can learn how the management tools works and the main management configuration management tool Puppet and how it works and working flow of the Puppet. The main aim of this section is to familiarize the students with the basic concepts of types of configuration management tools, Puppet, Manifestile and architecture. The main institutional objective is to demonstrate about architecture of the Puppet. By the end of the session, you can get the knowledge about configuration management and what is the configuration management and types of configuration management tools, and you can learn depth about the Puppet workflow. In this session, you can learn types of configuration management tools and Puppet and how Puppet works. Coming to the introduction part, DevOps configuration is the evolution and automation of the system's administration role, which brings the automations to infrastructure management and deployment. DevOps configuration also brings system administration's responsibility under the umbrella of software engineering. Configuration management tools enables changes and developments to be faster, repeatable, scalable, predictable, and able to maintain the desired states, which bring control aspects into the expected state. Here are some advantages in configuration management tools. Adherence to coding conventions that make it easier to navigate code. In disturbing designs to improving managing large number of remote services. And here we can see how the Puppet and what is the Puppet and how the Puppet workflow is managed. And Puppet is an automated administrative engine and it is used for our Linux, Unix and Windows systems. It can perform administrative tasks such as adding user, installing packages and updating server configurations, and these are based on a centralized specification called a GitHub repository. And also websites, documentations, community, convinced as a tool orientation towards operations, and Puppet has consolidated as a configuration management tool. It usually works in a client-server architecture and agent communicates with the server to fetch configuration instructions. Puppet uses a declarative language or a Ruby to describe the system configuration. It is organized in the modules and manifest files, contains the desired states, goals to keep everything as required. Puppet uses the push model by default and pull model can be configured. Here you can see the working process of the Puppet. So there are some terminologies like installation, components, manifest, etc. Coming to the installation phase, in the installation phase we need to install the Puppet master on a dedicated server. This server will store your configuration manifest and serves as a central point for the managing nodes. Install Puppet agents on the nodes you want to manage. Agents communicate with the Puppet master to retrieve the apply configurations. Components. Here are mainly two components called Puppet master and Puppet agent. Puppet master acts as a central server that stores configuration information and serves into the nodes upon request. Here Puppet agent acts as an installed on each node. Agents communicated with the Puppet master to retrieve configurations and apply them to the node. Main phase. Puppet's configurations are defined using a language called Puppet DSL means domain specification language. By using this DSL, Puppet uses manifest tales and describe the desired states of the systems. Manifests contain resource declarations that specify the configuration of various aspects of the system such as files, packages, services, nodes, etc. Modules. Puppet code is organized into the modules. Modules are collections of manifests and other data organized in a specific directory structures. Modules help modularize and reuse Puppet code. We can also apply Puppet by you can also apply Puppet configuration in two main ways. You can apply command or through the Puppet agent. Puppet apply is used for standalone runs where the configuration is applied on demand without a central Puppet master. Puppet agent server model. The more common approach is the agent server model. In this, the agents on the nodes contact to the Puppet master and request their configuration. The master compiles and catalogs a compiled representation of the desired system state and sends it to an agent. The agent applies the catalogs, making necessary changes to bring the system to the desired states. Catalog compilation. When an agent contacts the master compiles a catalog from that specific node. The catalog is a document that describes the desired states of the system based on the manifest and modules. Idempotent. Puppet configurations are designed to be idempotent, meaning that applying the same configuration multiple times, which results in the same state as applying it once. These ensure that you can repeatedly apply configurations without united side effects. Reporting. Puppet provides a reporting functionalities that allows you to track changes and view the status of your infrastructures. Extensibility. Puppet is extensible through custom facts, functions and types, allowing you to tailor into your specific needs. So by using these links, you can see some activities, case studies and important facts related to Puppet configuration management. And we described numerous areas where important in configuration management is needed. So these improvements are included like increased efficiency in stability and control by improving network visibility. So increased level of security with a reduction in risk, efficient change management that do not yield new inconsistencies or incompatibility, rapid service restorations. So configuration management tools plays a crucial role in the DevOps lifecycle by automating the provision, configuration and management of infrastructures. These tools help ensure consistency across environments, reduce manual errors and also enhances collaboration between development and operating systems or operation teams. Configuration management tools are a cornerstone of the DevOps philosophy, promoting efficiency, reliability and collaboration throughout the software development lifecycle. Their adoption contributes to faster and more reliable delivery of software, ultimately enhancing the overall agility and competitiveness of the organization in the modern IT landscape. So some common configuration management tool functions are application development, automated provisioning, infrastructure automation, node management, task management, role-based access controller, visualization and reporting. Coming to the summary of this session, configuration management tools are a key piece of a configuration management plan. They can fulfill many different needs including inventorying software aspects, rolling out new settings, automatic patches and updates, and also identifying configurations that are out of compliance. Seeing configuration management as a separate and aside from DevOps creates a faulty perspective with the inclusion of infrastructure as a service and cloud platform as a service in the development environment. Enterprise business communicate better and functions as a more agile development unit focused on the continuous integration and continuous delivery. So, in this session, we are able to learn how the Puppet is working and how it is continuously integrated and how it is used in the configuration management and also advantages. And these are the questions, and here are some web references and references books for further learning of these concepts. Thank you.